Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play City of Stars on guitar. We'll start by mastering the fundamental chords. Focus on forming a G major, C major, and D major chord cleanly. Ensure each string rings out without buzzing. Practice switching slowly between these three shapes, maintaining good finger placement. This foundational practice is crucial for building muscle memory and achieving a smooth sound. Now let's tackle the strumming pattern for City of Stars. It's a straightforward down, down, up pattern that repeats. Keep your strumming hand relaxed and consistent. The song has a gentle, almost waltz-like feel, so avoid aggressive strumming. Focus on maintaining a steady tempo and letting the chords ring out. Practice this pattern with each chord individually before combining them. The chord progression for City of Stars is quite simple and repeats throughout the song. It generally follows a G, C, D, G pattern. Start by playing through the entire progression very slowly, focusing on clean chord changes and consistent strumming. Don't be afraid to pause and correct any mistakes. Gradually increase your speed as you become more comfortable. Using a metronome will significantly help improve your timing and rhythm. To add more depth to your playing, try varying your strumming dynamics. Play softer during verses and a little stronger during choruses to create emotional impact. You might also experiment with a capo to play in a different key, which can be fun. Remember, consistent practice is key to mastering any song. Check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, plus other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll be playing City of Stars beautifully in no time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.